In our first story, Laura Faber visits Gramma. No, it's not a family reunion. It's a story about a Murfreesboro lady known for her cinnamon rolls, her cobbler, and banana pudding. Yeah, and according to Laura, her desserts will indeed remind you of your own grandma's cooking.
If you see this food truck anywhere in Rutherford County, stop and take a deep sniff.
We turn on the ovens, the smell is so potent that you can smell it from everywhere. It's wonderful when people say, "What are you cooking?" Cinnamon rolls. So it's really, it's wonderful.
Monique Ivory has been serving up sweetness in Murfreesboro since 2008 after a store-bought red velvet cake nearly ruined her son's birthday.
He wanted strawberries inside of the red velvet cake, and when we got it home, the red velvet cake was stale and it tasted like chocolate. Well, everyone knows red velvet cake is a buttermilk cake and it should not taste like chocolate. It's only hints of chocolate. And from there, I'm like, well, I can make this.
She started simply baking for friends, making cupcakes for her kids at school and for fundraising events at church. Her reputation grew, and she became the go-to person when you wanted something old-fashioned and downright delicious.
I know that everyone says that it's really good. I love what I do. It gives me peace. It gives me an abundance of peace to bake.
Eventually, Monique realized she had a small business in the palm of her hands and launched Grandma's Hand Sweetery, though that wasn't the original name.
Grandma's Hand Sweetery came in 2018 when my father passed. I decided that I wanted to do a little bit more of honoring my mom, my grandmothers, people that has actually put some type of inspiration or a recipe or some type of knowledge or something into myself, my family, my husband, you know, just so that we can just say, this is for you. You know, this is what Grandma's Hands means, because there's so many memories that we want to just honor those.
It is a family-run business. Monique's husband, Bernard, and both of their mothers often work the truck alongside them.
I have my regular good, which we always have. We also have Sweet Fire, which is the one that won Nashville Hot Chicken.
The baked goods all come from family recipes. Nothing is written down. It's all in Monique's head. She caters and sells online, and her food truck can be found all over town and at festivals. Her loyal customers follow her wherever she goes.
The good and all of her cobblers are like they will melt in your mouth. Like, they're just fresh and just so succulent. I mean, like, there's not a bad cobbler. You'll never get a bad cobbler. Each time she comes up with a new dessert or something that she wants to do, she really does take her time to, you know, just hone in on the craft. She'll make several batches of something and say, hey, I need you to sample this. I need you to taste this. And it's like, my turn.
All right, the #1 seller are the cinnamon rolls, followed by the cobbler and
our southern banana pudding.
a secret family recipe. Oh my gosh. Thumbs up, Monique.
The good is the glaze, and while the cinnamon roll is actually hot, we do one glaze over so that it seals in the moisture. That's the first part. The second part is the decoration. We do a second part of the glaze, the good, and we make a decoration, because when it goes out the truck, I always make sure that it looks just as pretty as if you were going somewhere else to get it.
That's not just cobbler.
No, it's a combination of 2 cobblers. It is your regular cobbler and crumble combined into one.
Monique tries new recipes all the time and has started exploring the savory side. Her Sweet Fire hot chicken cinnamon roll wins awards and is so creative.
Sweet Fire!
Then there is her Southern Pecan Sticky Roll covered with caramel, brown butter bourbon, and toasted pecans. Or the Maple Bacon Cinnamon Roll. Or the adult-only apple walnut marinated raisin concoction.
That particular one has a little bit of alcohol in it. The raisins are actually marinated in, I believe, rum. And it's placed in the microwave for them to plump up, juicy, and deliciousness, even if that's a word. And then at that point, they're rolled just like you just roll them inside the cinnamon roll, and then it's covered with another glaze.
Here you are. You have a blessed day. Thanks for stopping.
No wonder there is always a line at Grandma's Hand Sweetery truck. If you're craving delicious baked goods that remind you of simpler times, Monique Ivory is happy and grateful to serve.
Very, very thankful for my community. If they did not embrace me as much as they have, I wouldn't have my food truck, and I wouldn't have a business where I was able to leave my job and do what I dream, which is my dream. I just wanted to serve the great desserts and leave everybody with a great memory.
Hey, how'd you like the story? We'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you enjoyed it, we have a lot more where that came from. Here's one you might like. And please click here to subscribe so you'll know when we premiere new videos. Thanks for watching.